Want more space on your Steam Deck? Let me show you how to upgrade your SSD safely. First, back up all your data. You don't want to lose your games or files during the upgrade. Power off your Steam Deck completely and remove the back panel carefully. You'll need a small screwdriver. Don't force anything. Now open the back panel and gently open it up. Now locate the SSD slot. Gently remove the existing SSD by unscrewing it and sliding it out. Handle the SSD by the edges to avoid damage. Take your new SSD, insert it into the slot, and secure it with the screws. And go to the system settings. Format the new SSD. If needed, then restore your backup files. And that's it. You've upgraded your Steam Deck storage and now have plenty of space for all your games. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.